Hey everyone, Kyle Walker here. If you love cars, fixing things, or just want to understand your vehicle better, you're in the right place. I share hands-on tips, smart driving advice, and straight-up car talk without the fluff. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the end. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get
Under a
into it.
certain set of circumstances, an ordinary engine on gasoline begins to emit an unpleasant knock. In the language of drivers, this means finger tapping. And scientifically, the phenomenon is called detonation. The appearance of critical overheating of the fuel mixture is highly undesirable due to the risk of engine failure. The load on the cylinders grows, threatening to collapse altogether. Prevent Damage is able to prevent detonation sensor auto. In its essence, the sensor is a type of accelerometer. Its task is to transmit signals about mechanical vibrations of the cylinders to the digital control system. The electronics, depending on the transmitted information, regulates the supply of fuel air mixture. 3 detonation risk factors. Gasoline composition. Impurities and poor fuel quality increase the load on the cylinder head block. But the most important of all factors is the octane number of gasoline. Design features of the supported internal combustion engine. Here, every moment from the shape of the combustion chamber to the arrangement of the cylinders is important. Motors with a high compression ratio need high-octane gasoline. The minimum octane is indicated on the fuel tank hatch cover. Motor care also makes a difference. The risk of detonation increases with soot, excessive fuel gases, and other critical points. Timely maintenance reduces the chances of detonation to a minimum. How the sensor works. The detonation indicator works on modern piezoelectric technology. It has a piezo plate hidden in its housing. In the event of detonation or approaching a dangerous level, voltage appears at its ends. As the mechanical vibrations increase, the current increases. When the value breaks through the set safety threshold, the electronic control unit reduces the ignition advance angle. Signs of detonation sensor failure. The main sign of detonation sensor failure is the appearance of the corresponding indicator on the dashboard. Detonation sensor error is not a reason to refuse to drive the car. The motor continues to work. So why is it needed in such a case? Read also. How to choose the right car fuses in most modern models. The engine is controlled by an electronic unit. The driver no longer needs to adjust the ignition advance angle manually on the breaker cap, as was the case on most older car models. However, this creates an additional danger. Depending on the octane rating of the gasoline, it is simply not possible to adjust this parameter automatically. The risk of fuel detonation increases. A broken detonation sensor negatively affects the dynamics of the car. If the part malfunctions, the electronic unit increases the ignition timing in order to prevent the destruction of the motor. The result is a sharp increase in fuel consumption and a decrease in vehicle dynamics. When to check the detonation sensor. Increased acceleration and braking time. Increased fuel consumption. The appearance of smoke in car exhausts. At the same time, a message with different error codes can appear on the dashboard. They can be read by a special scanner. On the basis of the received data, and the inspection process is built. The most common errors are 0325, 0326, 0327, and 0328. Code 0325 usually indicates damaged wiring. It is necessary to clean the contacts and remove oxidation. If this does not help, then test the wiring along its entire length from the timing belt to the device connectors. Regarding the belt, it is necessary to check the marks. Maybe it has moved. 0326 and 0327 indicate a low signal. Also check the circuit. The sensor and contacts should be treated with WD-40. After that, get behind the wheel and go on the road. After a few kilometers, pay attention. If the error is repeated, then it is time to change. The signal can be extremely high. The reason is the same: wiring. High voltage cables may be punctured. It is necessary to check all contacts and piezo element. Pay attention to adherence to the timing belt marks. Perhaps this is the reason for the appearance of error 0328. Read also. Hall sensor from A to Z for the best result. All wiring and the sensor itself should be thoroughly checked and cleaned. If necessary, change the belt. Then make a short trip and look at the readings again. If the error persists, then the detonation sensor should be replaced. If possible, visit a workshop or show the fault to experienced motorists. They will check the error with a special scanner and take action according to the fault. Conclusions. In the matter of the detonation sensor, there are no white spots. The traffic police inspector will not punish for its breakdown or faulty operation. But ecologists can. The number of gases during this period grows many times. And the engine sounds somehow not good. In conclusion, the detonation sensor is a crucial safety feature that plays a vital role in protecting both people and property. By detecting explosive events in real time, these sensors provide an essential layer of security, allowing for timely responses that can prevent catastrophic outcomes. As technology continues to advance, the importance of integrating reliable safety measures like detonation sensors cannot be overstated. Investing in these systems not only enhances safety, but also fosters a culture of preparedness and awareness in various environments. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.